Hey buddy, it's John with Upstate Brush Control. Here on another job, doing some more of this storm cleanup. Some more subcontract work from a tree company here in town. We got the dump truck, brother's dump truck. And we got the Mini out here, skid steer, the bucket. It's a beautiful horse farm here in Travelers Rest, South Carolina. So we're trying not to disturb the field as much as possible. Just trying to create one pass coming in and out this way. And as you can see, somebody came through and made a mess. Literally. But so we got 3 blowdowns here. There's one back over here. And we got this big one, big red oak. Got the saws all ready to go. We're gonna flip the stump back up as much as possible, and then once we get that up, they're gonna come back with their stump grinder and grind the stumps. They got some other work to do up in the canopy, some limbs and stuff like that. So we're just getting this big stuff out of here, out of the way for them. Josh is getting the brush loaded up, then we'll get the logs on top, help kind of beat it down, smash it down. So that's what we're doing. right, so we're making pretty good progress. We haven't been here but maybe an hour or so. We got this one, oh man, most of it gone. Willie is taking that load out. Oh, look at the Ventrac, look at this. This thing is amazing. It'd take us forever to clean that up. Got all those big sticks in there and stuff. Oh yeah, baby. We brought the rake with us too, just in case we needed it, but I don't think we're gonna need it. So what I did, I cut this at 8.6, and I'm gonna cut this other one, these other two at 8.6, and hopefully there's no stains in it, as long as it's clear and there's no there's a little bit in there, but it's not bad. If there's any black stains, they won't take it, and then it's no good. Look at this, guys, this is crazy fools. Can't see with all. Oh yeah. Nice one, Josh. Got that big old boy cut, so it's not bad. I've seen a lot worse. There's a little bit of gray in there, but I think we're good. Big old tree. I cut those kind of spurs off a little bit to help make it easier for him to lay in the truck and stuff. But we might actually have to, I don't know if we can lift that up and over the fence. Might have to take it with a skid steer and go all the way around that way. The reason why I didn't cut them any longer is because we can't lift them, too heavy. So that's why I went with 8.5 footers. So we're gonna keep on cleaning this up. All right, so the plan is to get the grapple. Gonna grapple those over. They're just too big for the Mini. I know I could lift them with the skid steer, but so I'm gonna swing around over here, grab the old grapple. All right, so we got the last of it out of there, that other tree up there by the house. So we're just cleaning up the field right now, getting it all dressed up, blown off. So yeah. so we got to the last tree here. Another oak. And came, you know, the wind was blowing this way, obviously. Came up off this field here, beautiful field. Pretty cool spot. Yeah, that's Paris Mountain right there. So we about got this truck full. Wood's in there packing it as tight as we can get it. We are gonna try to take some of this logs and some pulpwood out of this when we can. So we're gonna chop it all up here. Looking up your way. Plenty of room. Oh, in the back.
All the way in the back. In the back!
Oh yeah, we might be able to get all the brush in here. I'll chop it up a little bit more. Alright, so used to be a real big still guy, but switched over to Husky a while back, a couple years now. I'm no expert on chainsaws or tree cutting or whatever, but we do what we do. I'm not an arborist or anything like that, but we do get into a lot of bucking up trees like this and dropping trees and fields and whatever, but not claiming to be a professional. Maybe at forestry mulching, but not chainsawing, not, you know, falling trees, whatever. But anyways, back to what I was saying. So this is, we all kind of have our own saws. Micah has his own saw. He's got a 372. Willie is actually using Josh's saw because he left his in the truck. But that is a 572, the newer one. And this is the one I used to use all the time, the 395. If we're falling big wood or cutting up big wood, that's what I'll use. And that's what I'll use to, I got you.
You got it. That's hot.
So here's Josh's saw. and 572. All right, he's going to dump that. But 395. Woo! Can't beat it, man. Buzzing through these logs and everything. Put a nice sharpen on her last night. This has a 28-inch bar, and we run 24s on the other. The old fence going in through here, so I'm gonna have to cut it up here. Make sure I can try to at least get one log out of it. But it's pretty typical, these old farms. See that stuff in it. But it's probably only a 4-foot fence, so I've come up about this far, whack